Okay, guys, I'm going to record us. Okay. All right. We've been talking about graphing, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Make sure you're sitting crisscross. Very good. All right, today we graphed our favorite cereal. Because tomorrow we're going to have a party. And I want to bring our favorite cereal so we can sprinkle it on our ice cream. Does that sound so good?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So graphs are important. They tell us really important information.
Yeah.
There are graphs for all kinds of things. This is about our favorite cereal. Okay? I'm going to ask you some questions. Remember, when we turn and talk to someone, we look at their eyes, we listen to what they're saying. Remember? Thumbs up if you hear me. Very good. I want to know how many people like Cheerios. Turn to your partner. Make sure that turn to your partner. Looking at me in 3, 2, 1. Alex, how many people like Cheerios? Cheerios. There you go. You corrected it, didn't you? So, one person likes Cheerios. That's you, isn't it? Let's see. Ezra, can you come up here and tell us how many people like Fruit Loops?
Yeah.
Ooh, 10. He said 10. He said 10 people like Fruit Loops. Thank you. Let's count them and make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, don't forget, there was another way that we could figure out how many people. Who remembers what it was?
I know. You move back.
What, Elias?
You move back.
You can move back or across, right? And you can see that that number is 10. Very good. I want you to turn to your partner, and I want you to talk about how many people like Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Looking at me in 3. Looking at me in 2. Looking at me on 1. Walker, what did you and Zuri figure out? How many people like Cinnamon Toast Crunch?
7.
All right, let's check it. Do you agree? Let's check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 people like Cinnamon Toast Crunch. We could also go across, like Elias said, and there's 7. Now, here's something very I want to know which cereal is liked the most.
I know.
Rex, you haven't been here. Can you tell us which cereal is liked the most?
Most is it this one?
You are right. Give me 5. How did you know? How did you think that it might be this one?
Because it's the most.
Listening to Rex.
And it takes so that the only people like it is Jerry, and Sebastian, and Luca, and Ezra, and Walker, and Eliza, and Lucy.
Okay, so I think what you're trying to say is there are more people that like Fruit Loops. You see that the graph, it goes all the way up here to 10, doesn't it? That's the most. Very good. Give me 5. Do you agree? Thumbs up if you agree.
Yes, I do.
Very good. Sitting crisscross applesauce, check your body. 3, 2, 1. Shh. All right. Now, We get the least. Remember, the least is the fewest amount, not as many. The fewest. Least means the fewest. Do it with me. Fewest. One more time. Use your hand. Say least. Least. Okay. Let me see who's sitting crisscross applesauce. One last time. I want you to turn to your partner and talk about what least means. We're talking about least. Let him talk. So what did he say least means? Very good. Looking at me in 3. Looking at me in 2. Looking at me on 1. Lila, do tell us which one is the least? Which one? Yeah, the Cheerios. How did you know it was the least? There's only one person that likes it. That's right. So, looking at our graph, which cereal are we going to use to sprinkle over our cereal tomorrow?
Cheerios.
Look right here.
Ice cream.
Look right here.
Cheerios on our ice cream.
This is Cheerios. This one is
Fruit
Loops.
Loops.
We're going to put Fruit Loops on our cereal. So graphs are very helpful. Today, while you're playing, I'm going to call you to answer some questions about graphing. Okay? How's that? All right?